Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set your sleep timer and screen timer set never. Sometimes you can see your screen will be dark after 10 seconds or 1 minute and 5 minutes. How you can stop it? It's very simple. You just need to come over into your strike icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you will get an option called personalization. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called lock screen. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called screen timeout. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called screen and sleep. If you click on that, and here you can see I set it to into never. You can see you can select 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, or you can select the 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and a lot of quite of options. But if you want to click on simply never, you can simply click on never. And you can choose it for these two times. You can see turn off screen after or sleep after. Both are selected in never. So this is how you can set your screen time and sleep time into never. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.